ConSedTrans, the innovative continuous sediment transfer. It solves sedimentation problems and rebalances the sediment budget of impounded rivers. Nowadays, we are dealing with climate change, the energy transition, and a rise in global water demand. The storage of water becomes increasingly important, whether for flood protection, power generation, drinking water supply, or the food production chain. Reservoirs allow the use of water for these primary needs. A river consists of more than just water. The current, transported solids, living organism, chemistry, and temperature, everything is interdependent and close to equilibrium in the natural aquatic system. Dams disrupt this sensitive equilibrium. Sediment deposits within the reservoir lead to an excess of organic material. This has multiple consequences. The reservoir's storage capacity decreases continuously, gradually reducing the capability to fulfill the main tasks of the reservoir. The water quality deteriorates. The methane gas emissions increase. And the additional sediment load increases pressure on the dam structure. Many of the worldwide 200,000 dams are not designed for this changed loading conditions. However, in the downstream river section of the dam, the sediment is missing. The consequence is riverbed erosion associated with reductions of the water table, damages on hydraulic infrastructure, and modifications of the ecosystem. The effects of the sediment deficit extend to the coastal areas. Land gets lost, groundwater becomes brackish, and drinking water wells in the Delta region are no longer usable. We tackle the problem at its source. Our solution? ConSedTrans, the continuous sediment transfer. The unnaturally deposited sediments get absorbed in defined quantities and transferred within the water body to the downstream river section. This happens either through the turbines, over the weir, or directly into the downstream part. There, the sediment can now be transported with the natural current, like in a system without a dam. The amount of rearranged sediment gets adjusted in respect to the river's flow conditions. ConSedTrans is the only procedure meeting the demands of the EU Water Framework Directive for sediment continuity. A dam is an expensive investment. Through sedimentation, it loses its value. ConSedTrans recovers this value, resulting in a significant gain for the operator as well as the environment. No procedure is as economical as ConSedTrans, not even reservoir flushing. ConSedTrans is the only long-term and sustainable solution for sedimentation problems. It helps reservoirs to gain an unlimited lifetime and regulates the river's need for sediments without affecting the reservoir's or power plant's operation. ConSedTrans, the environmentally friendly solution for your sedimentation problem.